Hi everyone. This is for my students of architecture. So others can kind of scroll down. Maybe you can hit a like. Yeah. All right. I had been practicing as an architect for the past 2 decades across India and abroad. With my hands-on experience in designing numerous projects, I have formulated some basic strategies for my students of architecture on how to do architectural research and any other design research for that matter. You know, you see, if you ask me what is research, by the very word of research, it means research. So re is over and over again, and search is to examine closely and carefully, to test and try, or to probe. Yeah? So basically, if you go by the logics of the dictionary, it's a term describing a careful, systematic, patient study and investigation in some field of knowledge, undertaking to establish facts or principles. So that's all about the research. So basically, research is one of the ways to find answers to your questions or any problem that you have or the society has. Yeah. Undertaking a research study is to find out answers to questions through systematic processes that is being undertaken with a framework of set of philosophies, uses procedures, methods, and techniques that have been tested for their validity and reliability. It's basically designing to be unbiased. It's about being unbiased and about being objective. That's about the research. Yeah? Research involves scientific methods that consist of systematic observation, classification, and interpretation of data. It is one of which nearly all people of any discipline, not only architecture for that matter, may engage in course of their daily lives or may be in the course of their academic lives. Yeah. So if you ask me, what is the difference between our day-to-day generalization and the conclusions usually recognized between this scientific method? It lies in the degree of formality, rigorousness, verifiability, and validity of that particular. So if you look at the bigger picture about research, so research is about the issue or the problem that you have from where there is inquiry. From that particular inquiry, through a set of methodology to come to a new kind of a knowledge that you have generated, your recommendations, your ideas, and finally which solves that particular problem. Yeah. Architectural research requires a global or a holistic understanding of architecture. It is linked to the central activity of architects. And what is that? That is design. It is conditioned by the fact that there is no determinist theory of which the design would be the application of, or the design itself is what connects or translates. It is a development, it's an extension, it's an innovation of that architectural practice. So it is interested in the generally recognized practices, subjects, and themes of architecture. Architecture is a creative discipline, as you know, oriented towards the practice. It is engaged, it is creative, it is reflexive in its particular practice. Research through design embraces creative production, with the design process itself as a form of discovering new knowledge. The most and the least understood areas of architectural research involves that which works through design, which engages itself in a form of a particular research. Yeah? So research through design takes different forms depending on the project and the context. You can broadly categorize into like 1, 2, 3, and 4 categories, where the first one is the design research, from where there will be typological research, then there will be a design study, then there will be a study by design. So these are the main broad categories. So architectural research and design research is all about 3 things: facets of similarity, design, and research. Right? So basically the design research process is having the research component and the design component. The research component, again, will have two different categories: the core research and the strategy of the research, and how to strategize the research. And in the design component, there will be again two categories: the development category and the documentation category. Right? You know, research and discovery of the idea from which an architecture concept develops is all about exploring subjects you are familiar with, identifying the issues relevant to your particular field, choosing your topic that can help your work culture and the work of the future, and seeing a problem from a new perspective. And that is all about how to discover in a research. So how to strategize? Basically, ask, is your approach to the topic original? It is very important. You know, it is doable and creates new value in architecture. Could the outcome make difference to people? Does it pertain and contribute to your particular field, that is architecture? Does it involve people in a certain way? How does it affect the environment? Yeah. Regarding the development part, you should have a critical review of the context, identifying issues and problems, generation of the concept, interpretation of design, discussions, conclusions, and new knowledge that you have come up with in this particular field. Regarding the documentation part, you need to produce actual thesis documents describing your discoveries, your insights, your ideas, or assertions clearly and succinctly. Okay. So basically, you see, on a broader perspective, if you ask me, like, what are the kinds of architectural research that you can do, there are broadly 7 categories. You know, number 1 is interpretative or historical research, where there is a process of design and construction. Then there is qualitative research, which is about building habitability. You know, then there is correctional research, which is about human security and safety. Then you have experimental research, which is about conservation of resources. Then you have simulation of research, where there is structural materials and equipment systems. Then you have logical augmentation, where follows a systematic framework. Then there is a case study research. So these are the various research that you can have. In historical research, it is all about the systematic collection of data to explain something occurred sometimes in the past. No manipulation or controls of variables differ with experimental research. It focuses primarily on the past. You know, the purpose of historical research is awareness of the past, learn from past failures and successes, to test any hypothesis that is there, to assert it in prediction. You know, yeah. Then, you know, as of now, I am involved in a case study-based, evidence-based research on smart cities, which is having components like research approach to a research in a different perspective, a focus on either single or multiple cases of studies in the real-life context, the capacity to explain casual links, why, how questions, you know, the importance of theory developed in the research design phase, then having a reliance on multiple sources of evidence, the power to generalize a theory, you know, with the tactics of selecting several cases, making comparisons, integrating with multiple data sources, noting the relation, and researching for a general set of observations and recommendations for the future, and implementing that particular design to know the environment and the microclimate of it, the user behavior and the requirements, the utility and space enhancement, the full form and function of it, the planning and the circulation part, understanding, you know, the strengths, the opportunities, the weaknesses and threats, and moreover, you know, it is all about the synthesis, reasoning, accuracy, relevance, claiming the logic, in-depth study, evidence, clarity, and transforming and precision in your understanding, right? So you see, on a broader scale, when you are talking about researching in architecture, always remember what I strongly believe: an architect will always be a student. An architect will always be a student, constantly learning. You know, let's start discussing your thoughts on this particular topic. Let me know your views. Comment in the box below. I'll get back to you.